Hello, good people. Bernard back again with a short unboxing of a firearm I just got today. So this is the Mossberg 590 RM. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna open the box. All right, nothing fancy box in the firearm. And here's the instruction manual. And then it comes with a 10-round magazine. There you go. It's pretty big. That's what she said. Anyways, this is a 10-round magazine. And then I'll put it aside. I'm gonna take out the actual shotgun. Right here. The box, get out of the way. Right there, get out of the way. Get out the way. All right. Here you go. Change the angle a little bit here. There you go. Okay. All right. Now here it is. The Mossberg 590 RM. Look at that, some rotary safety. Some of you, if you have never familiar with shotgun, generally it's like those, you press the safety. This is a rotary one that they put in this shotgun, which is, that's kind of cool, I think. All right, so let me put this down real quick. Let's talk about real quick specs, okay? So anyways, this is a 12 gauge, again, a 12 gauge shotgun. It takes a 2 1/4 shell, so it's a 2 3/4, I'm sorry, chamber. Again, 10-round mag. So 1 in chamber, so it's a 10+1 capacity. It has a ambidextrous, which I showed you earlier. The rotary safety. Here's the other ones, the other side. Okay. Let's see. Oh, and there's two versions of this. This is the one I got was the one with the Picatinny rail, because I wanted to put a red dot on top. The other one comes with iron sight, I believe. Anyways, what else do I want to talk about real quick? The trigger. So look at this trigger. It's a flat trigger. It's pretty smooth and a good crisp break. See here. Oops, and safety, sorry. There you go. Again. Super nice. So I'm gonna actually shoot this weekend. Here's the bump stock adjustable. Oh, let me show you something real quick. So if you're not familiar, which really is my first one, so I'm not that familiar. So generally, right, when you use AR, you shove in the magazine, right? This one you put in an angle like this. Actually, let me hold it better. I use the camera. Here, you put an angle like this. Just put it in there like that. And then to release the magazine, you press this one. And then, all right. It's a quick overview of this nice, very reliable, Mossberg is very reliable. I have an old one, and it's been great, has never failed me. So this will probably be one of my home defense guns now. So pretty cool. All right, well, hopefully you like and subscribe so I can do more content and help me do more content. All right, talk to you later. Bye.